Yes, good morning students. How are you all? Fine. Welcome back to online classes again. Yes. In the previous classes, we have solved some of the problems which are reducible to linear equations. That means what? Originally, they are not linear equations, but we reduced them to linear equations. Okay. In that only some word problems, two word problems are there. In 2.6. Let me solve those problems. Okay. Yeah. The ages of Hari and Harry are in the ratio 5:7. Very simple. Hari and Harry. Hari and Harry. Their ages 7:5. They are in the ratio 5:7. Therefore, let their ages be 5x and 7x. Okay? Now, 4 years from now. 4 years from now means what? From now. From now means what? Next. Therefore, you add 5x plus 4 and here also 7x plus 4. Ratio can be written in the form of fraction. Correct? 5:7 means we can write 5 by 7 or not? Yes, like that only. Then what happens? Their ages will be equal to 3:4. 3:4 means 3 divided by 4. That's it. Okay? Now very simple cross multiplication. Now 4 into like this, you can write 4 into 5x plus 4 equal to 3 into 7x plus 4. Now just multiply 4 into 5 20x plus 4 4 16. 3 7 ja 21x plus 3 4 ja. Now you tell me whether 20x is greater or 21x is greater. Yes, 21x is greater. Very good. Therefore, we will take this to that side. Will become 21x minus 20x is equals to already 16 is there. Minus 12 plus 12 will become minus 12. Therefore, 4 equal to x. Now, what is their ages will be? Very simple. 5x, that is 5 into 4, 20 years, and 7 into x, 7 into 4, it is nothing but 28 years. Did you understand? Yes. So, one more time. There are two members are there, Hari and Harry. Their ratio of their ages is 5:7. Therefore, let their ages be 5x is to 7x. Now, according to the problem, 4 years from now. 4 years from now means what? After 4 years. After 4 years means what? Now plus 4. After means after 4 years. Now it is 2021. So 4 years means 2025. Like that. Did you understand? Therefore, plus 4 divided by 7x plus 4. This ratio can be written in the form of fraction also. That means what? 5:7 is there means we can write 5 by 7. Did you understand? Yeah, like that only 5x plus 4 divided by 7x plus 4 equal to their wages are equal to 3:7. At the time, after 4 years, what happened? Their ages will become 3:4 ratio. Now find out their present age. Like this. So 4 into 5x plus 4 equal to just cross multiplication 3 into 7x plus 4. Now take 4 inside. 4 5 is 20x plus 4 4 16 equal to 3 into 7 21x plus 3 4 is 12. Then what happened? 20x 21x this plus 20x if it goes that side minus 20x equals to 16 already is there. Bring this plus 12 to left hand side, it will become minus 12 equal to 4. Therefore, x equal to 4. Now, the ages will be like this. Did you understand? Yes. by part, not total problem at a time. Okay, na? Part by part, you should write one read sentence. Immediately you should write the equation. Okay. Next problem. The denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. Now, how denominator is? It is 8 greater than the numerator. 8 means what? 8 more. 8 more means what? Plus. Then what happened? If the numerator is increased by 17. It is increased means what? Plus. And denominator is decreased by 1. Then what happens? It will be equals to 3 by 2. Did you understand what I am telling? Here, denominator of a fraction 8 more than the numerator. If numerator will be x means denominator will be how much? 8x plus 8. When the numerator is increased by 17, the denominator is decreased by 1. Increased means plus, decreased means what? Minus. Then if you take the ratio, then the ratio will be equal to 3:2. Then we have to find out the fraction. Very, very simple. Now cross multiplication. 2 into x plus 17 equals to 3 into x plus 8 minus 1 is 7. Did you understand? Any doubt? Yes. Go on. 2 into x, 2x plus 34 equal to 3x plus 21. Okay, na? Many students will multiply only for first term. They will use second term. No, we should multiply to the second also. Okay, na? Distributive property. Now what happened? 3x is greater, plus 2x it will become minus 2x. 34 minus 21. Then what happened? Yes, it will become 3x minus 2x is x. It will become 13. What is x actually? Yes, x is equals to 13 is equals to numerator, right? X plus 8 equal to denominator. Therefore, the fraction is 13 divided by 13 plus 8, that is nothing but equal to 13 by 21. Okay, na? Like this you have to do it. One more time you see. Denominator of a fraction is 8 more than its numerator. That means what? This is not there. When you add 17 to the numerator, denominator is decreased by 1. Decreased means what? Minus. Okay, na? Is equals to 3 by 2. Just cross multiplication. 2 into x plus 17 equal to 3 into x plus 8 minus 1 is 7. Now take 2 and 3 inside. What will happen? 2 into x 2x plus 2 7 is 34. 3 into x 3x plus 3 7 is 21. Then what happened? 2x, here 3x is greater, 2x is smaller, therefore set the 2x that side. 3x minus 2x equal to 34 minus 21. Therefore 13 equal to x. What is this x equal to? 8. It is a numerator and x plus 8 is a denominator. Therefore the fraction is 13 divided by 13 plus 8 equal to 13 by 21. Okay, na? Did you understand? So this is, we complete the exercise 2.6. Okay. Now I left 2.4. We go to 2.4. Yes, very simple exercise. All word problems. Yes, 2.4 exercise, very simple. Amina thinks of a number. You can write. Exercise 2.4, the first one. Amina thinks of a number. Write down. Let the number be x. Let the number be x. Then what happened? Amina thinks of a number and subtracts 5 by 2 from it. So we should subtract how much? 5 by 2. Then the whole result is multiplied by 8. To is equals to what? 3 times the same number what we thought. 3 times what we thought x. Therefore, it is nothing but 3x. Listen one more time. Amina thinks of a number which is in which 5 by 2 is subtracted. Therefore, what is the number? It is x. X minus 5 by 2 into. The result is multiplied by 8. Result is multiplied by 8. And to give 3 times what she thought. What she thought? X. Therefore, 3 into x. Now, very simple. Take 8 inside. 8x minus 8 into 5 divided by 2 equal to 3x. Now what happened? 8x minus 3x equal to 2 ones, 2 fours. It is nothing but plus 20. Okay na? Minus 20 if it goes that side, plus 20. 8x minus 3x is 5x is equals to 20. Therefore x equal to 20 divided by 5. 5 ones, 5 fours. Therefore x equal to 4. Okay na? So what is the answer? 4 is the answer. Okay na? Next problem. A positive number is 5 times the other. Write down. Let the number be x. Therefore, the positive number be x. Okay. If 21 is added to both, that means what? Here x is there, here 5x is there. How much we should add? 21. How much we should add? 21. If 21 is added to both the numbers, then one of the new numbers become twice of the new number. So this will become twice of the new number. Okay na? Very simple. 2 into x, 2x plus 42 equal to 5x plus 21. Now rearranging, 42 minus 21 equal to 5x minus 2x. So it is nothing but 21 equal to 3x. Therefore x equal to 21 by 3, 3 ones, 3 7. Therefore x equal to 7. What is 7? Yes, this. Therefore the numbers are x and 5x. Correct? Therefore 7 and 7 5 the 35. Okay na? Please one more time. A number is 5 times the other number. Here let the number be x means this is equal to what? 5 times the same number. Then here when you add 21 to both sides, then a number will be twice the other. Therefore, here also you should add 21. Here also you should add 21. This will be equal to 2 times of this number. Okay na? Now very simple. Now just rearranging. 2x plus 42 equal to 5x plus 21. Here 5x is greater. Therefore, bring this plus 2x this side. 5x minus 2x, that is 3x equal to 21 and x equal to 7. Therefore, the numbers are x and 5x, 7 and 35. Okay na? Any doubt please? Yes? Very good. Next. Yes. Third problem. The sum of a digits of a 2-digit number is 9. Yes. Before going to that, we should know one concept. For example, I am writing 48. This 48 can be written as how? 40 plus 8. If you see, this is in units place and this is in tens place. Same thing I have done. 40 plus 8. How it has come? How many tens will be there? 4 tens. How many ones will be there? 8 ones. Did you understand? So here, when you add, then you will get 10 into 4 is 40 plus 8. 40 plus 8 will become 48. Did you understand? Yes. Just remember this concept, then the problem will be easy for you. Okay? Right. Now, the sum of 2-digit numbers is 9. The sum of 2-digit number is how much? 9. Can write. Let the number at units place be x. Therefore, what about tens place? Anyone? Yes? Very good. It is 9 minus x. Because why it is? Because both numbers, if you add, how much you will get? 9 only. You can see. If you add, what happens? Minus x plus x cancel. 9 only will be remaining. Okay na? But according to that problem, you should write. Therefore, 10 plus x. Correct na? Yes. Now very simple. 10 into 9, 90 minus 10x plus x, or 90 minus 9x. This is 1. Second time what happens? Just interchange. Interchange means what? Yes, this will go this side and this will go this side. Then what happened? 10x plus 9 minus x. Therefore, what happened? 9x plus 9. Did you understand? Yes. Now you tell me, here 90 minus 9x. Then what happened? Second question. It is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. That's all. You can write it now. Which is lesser? It is found that the new number is greater than the original number by 27. Then take that. 9x plus 9 is equals to, yes, 90 minus 9x plus plus how much it is? 27. Okay na? Then what happened? 9x plus 9x is equals to 117 minus 9. Therefore, 18x equal to 108. Therefore, x equal to 108 divided by 18. 18 ones, 18 6. Therefore, x equal to how much? 3. Therefore, the number is, yes, number is x equal to 6. Therefore 9 minus 6. Therefore the number is 36. You can verify by yourself. If you add 27 to 36, it will become 63. It will become 63 means what? Yes, 1's digit will go to 10's digit and 10's digit will come to 1's digit. Okay, like this. Did you understand? Now one more time please. Here there is a number. How many digits are there? 2 digits are there. If you add, it will become 9. Therefore, first number will be x, that is units place. Then tens place will be 9 minus x. So according to the problem, what happened? 10 into 9 minus x plus x. That is 90 minus 10x plus x. Otherwise, 90 minus 9x. But when you interchange means what? This 9x will go in place of x and x will come in place of 9 minus x. At the time what happened? 10x plus 9 minus x, that is 9x plus 9. Now new number, this is new number or this is new number? Therefore this is the new number. This number is, yes, 27 more than the old number. Therefore 9x plus 9 equal to 90 minus 9x, this is the old number, plus 27. If you do, then you will get x equal to 6. Therefore, the number is what? 36. So, 36 plus 27, it will become 63. Did you understand? Yes. Very good. Take the problem please, fast. Yes. Yes. One more problem please. One of the 2-digit number is 3 times the other. Very simple. Write down. Let the number be x. There are 2 digits are there. First digit is x. Then second digit is 3 times the first one. Therefore, the second digit or the tens place. Number be 3 times, that is 3x. Okay now? That means what? You can see now. 1 is x plus 10 into 3x. So how much it is? 30x plus x is equals to 31x. Next, change 10x plus 3x. Therefore, it will be 13x. Any doubt? Yes. This is first number and this is the new number. When you added these two, it will become equal to 88. So this is first one and second one. When you add 192, what happens? 31x plus 13x equal to 88. Now very simple. 31 plus 13 is nothing but 44x is equals to 88. X equal to 88 divided by 44. 44 ones, 44 twos. Therefore, x equal to 2. Therefore, the number is yes, x and 3x. Therefore, 2 and 3 into 2. Therefore, 62 is the number. Okay? What is the number? 62. Please take this fast. Yes. Next question. Yes. Shobha's mother's present age. Here you can write Shobha and Shobha's mother. You can write very simple. Okay, na? Yes. Shobha's mother present age is 6 times is Shobha's age. If Shobha is X years, then her age will be 6 years. Next, Shobha's age 5 years from now. 5 years from now means x plus 5. This also will become 6x plus 5. Then what happened? Will be 1/3 of mother's present age. So this fellow's age will be how much? 1/3 of his present age. Present age means only 6x. Now 3 ones, 3 2x. Therefore 5 is equals to 2x minus x. Therefore x equal to 5. Therefore Shubha's, you can write Shubha's present age (5 years) and Shubha's mother's age 5x is equals to 6x equal to 6 into 5, 30 years. Okay, na? So Shubha's age is 5 years and Shubha's mother age will be 30 years. So very simple, he has given Shubha's mother's age is 6 times the age of Shubha's. This fellow is x means she will be 6x. After 5 years, x plus 5 will be equal to 1/3 of mother's age. What is mother's age? Present age 6x. 1/3 means 1/3 into 6x. 3 ones, 3 2x. Therefore, what is the answer? X equal to 5. Therefore, what is x? Shubha's age. Therefore, Shubha's mother's age will be 6x. 6 into 5 will become 30 years. Okay, na? Yes. Yes. Yes, there is a narrow rectangular plot is there. Do you know rectangular plot? Yes, it is a rectangular plot. A, B, C, D. Here it is length. Here it is a breadth. Rectangular plot. Reserved for the school in Maholi village, the length and breadth of the plots are 11:4. So length is to breadth equal to 11:4. Therefore you can write let the length and breadth of a plot be 11x and 4x centimeters. Now, at the rate of 100 rupees per meter, this is not centimeter, per meter, then total he paid, amount paid, rupees 75,000. What is the cost per meter? It will cost the village panchayat. Yes. Fencing. Do you know what is fencing? Fencing means what? It is nothing but perimeter. Okay, na? Now, what is the, see, per 100 meter, per meter, yes, cost for 1 meter fencing is rupees how much? Yes, 100 rupees. Okay, otherwise you can do it however you want. Therefore, for 1 meter, for how many meters it will be taken? Therefore, it is nothing but the length the fencing be taken is equals to, yes, 75,000 divided by 100 to 2. Therefore, it is nothing but 750 meters. Now you can equate it. What you can equate? Here you can equate. We know that fencing is nothing but perimeter. Perimeter of the rectangular plot is 2 into L plus B. What is perimeter we want? We have 750 is equals to 2 into L is 11x plus breadth is 4x. Therefore, 750 equal to 2 into 15x. 30x is equals to 750. X equal to 750 divided by 3. 30, 0, 0 cancel. 3 1 325. Therefore, x equal to 25. Therefore, the length and breadth are, yes, length equal to 11x is equals to 11 into 25. That is equals to 275 meters. And breadth equal to 4x is equals to 4 into 25 is equals to 100 meters. Okay, so these are the measurements of the rectangular plot as length is 275 meters and breadth as 100 meters. If you want, you can clarify your doubt also. How to clarify your doubt? 275 plus 10, 375. This L shape will be 375 and this L shape is also 375. 375 plus 375, it is nothing but 750. Did you understand? Yes? Yes. So like these problems are there, still some more problems are there, we will study in the next class.